Today I am going to create a fun look. Taking out creases from my eyes and I am ready to start. It is going to be a fun look. It might have music, it might have talking. I am not sure where I'm going to put music yet, but I know this is the look and I know what look I'm going to create. And that will be the highlight for today. Let's see. I'm putting down white first. I'm putting white all over my eyes, including underneath. I want to do a fun look. Take your palettes out and let us create something fun. The white is down. Yeah. Creating something fun today. So pull your palettes out and let us be creative. Let us just let our mind create what we want to see on the outside. I am going into a blue right now, and I'm going to put it right here. Now blend everything. Next color is the navy blue. I'm starting halfway on the crease and on the lids. I am starting halfway on the lids because the first part of the lids is for another color. So I'm using a smaller brush to put that blue right here. And it will go into the crease also. If I did use a white base, it would show up more. But this is Juvia's Place, so it's pigmented, so I know you can see it. can see the two different shades, right? Today's I am came from the comments. It says, I was sustained through various overwhelming circumstances. I was sustained through various overwhelming circumstances. That was left in the comments. I was sustained through various overwhelming circumstances. Thank you for leaving that message. I appreciate it very much. One more color before we complete this look. On the other half of the lids, I am putting this pink. I'm using a tiny brush. This is today's look. I wanted to play with some makeup and I wanted to create this. This is what I created. I created something fun, something fabulous, and I pair it with an earring I made a while back. Tell me in the comments what you think about this look. Did I create something magical? Did I create something fun? What do you think? This is my fun look for today. Colorful, fun look. Makes me happy, brings me joy. I hope I brought a little bit of joy in your life today. Always remember you can create anything you want to. And at the end of the day, if it brings you joy and happiness, it is okay. It doesn't matter what any other person thinks because your joy comes first. I hope you take the time to watch another video on my channel. Until I see you and you see me, I want you to think of yourself like the most important person in the world. The most important person in the world. I will see you shortly. Please remember to share this video. Watch a playlist. I would appreciate it so much if you run one of my playlists. Bye.